And welcome back. Netball is where we begin. After 5 years at the helm of Netball Jamaica, President Tricia Robinson says that she will not be seeking re-election when the annual general meeting and elections are held next month.
Come February, stakeholders of local netball will be meeting to elect a new president. This after the incumbent Tricia Robinson, who took office in 2020, told TVJ Sports that she will not be seeking re-election to continue leading the nation's most successful female team sport.
It's good to have term limits in anything you do, and it's good to have fresh ideas around the table. And so, as I said, come the end of February, the new administration will benefit from that.
Her decision comes in the aftermath of delays to fresh elections, which could not go ahead without audited financial statements.
It's unfortunate that we've not been able to produce our audited financials. What is important, we have our financials, they're just not yet audited. It is with our auditors, Fig and Calvert, and we're expecting that we will get those audits in before the end of the month so that we can have our annual general meeting last Saturday, sometime in February, around about the last Saturday in February. We'll discuss that. But it is online, as again, I said before, unfortunate, but we have had to do what we've had to ensure that we do the right thing.
With the Sunshine Girls now ranked at number 3 in the world, the diminutive administrator believes the next president will have a good platform to build on.
We have a solid foundation, and I believe that every president that comes in gets the opportunity to make the sport a better one. And come at the end of February, the new administration will have the opportunity, given the support and resources from corporate Jamaica, to make the sport shine even brighter for our Sunshine Girls.
Robinson conceded that her 5-year stint as president was not always smooth, but says she learned plenty of lessons along the way.
But I came on as a director, then I moved to first vice president and then the president. Significant as president, I came into what was COVID. Life is not a bed of roses, but I'm happy for the team around. We work together, we pull together. Yes, albeit we have our differences at times. I'm not expecting us to be in agreement all the time, but it has been an interesting journey. It has had significant learning lessons, and it has made me a better person.
The door is now open for new candidates to throw their hats into the ring to become the 12th president of Netball Jamaica. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.